The lift at elevator at King George Hospital. Here they are, and you can see I'm gonna rush these. Come, let's go on it. 2015. Let's go up.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
So ASA lift elevator.
Going up.
It's me.
Floor 1.
Now I'm going to back down to 1.
Doors open.
King George Hospital in London.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
And then we'll get a ride on the other one. These are double lifts. This ground one, alarm, door open. It's a very big
Ground
lift.
floor.
All of the lifts are for public in this hospital. They're very slow to me.
Doors open.
Now we'll take the other one. Here we are.
Going up.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, someone said the alarm.
Please mind the door.
They're both the same, it's just the panels on a different side.
Going up.
This one sounds like it's gonna break. Is it gonna get stuck when I'm filming? That's never happened. I've never got stuck. I'm 9 years old. I used to like elevators when I was 3, and I still like them.
Doors open.
Sounds a bit broken.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
I'm quite worried it's gonna get stuck.
Going down.
There is a bit of a problem with the elevator.
Ground floor. Doors open.
I'm going to show them the other lift. Let's just go to the other one quickly. Let's run, otherwise might run out of memory. King George Hospital. I can see where I'm going in the cameras, and no worries. That's my tent. Oh, I can hear it. I can just wait. Oh. I'm not going to get through to all of them. Here is the other one. It's on 1. It's just an elevator. And what's wrong with this one? What's it say?
Children must be occupied on lift at all times.
I know that, but I'm filming, so I know what to do. No, I'm older. I'm 9. So I know how to handle everything. I started filming when I was 7 or 8. Right, it's really hard to hold the camera. Oh.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors
I think they
closing.
modernised it or refurbished it. It sounds a bit different, I'm not sure.
Going up.
Oh, you can really hear this one roughly.
Floor 1.
Go back to ground.
Doors opening.
Alright, we're going down.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Am I going down? Yes, I am. All of the lifts here are aces. That's the alarm sign. All of the lifts have it. This one probably just a little bit modern than the other one.
Ground floor.
No alarm. There we go. Cool, that was a quick one. 2.
Doors opening. Going up.
Next one, we're going to take a video of all of the lifts at the hospital. I'm just going to say this is the lift tour. I might not do all of it. Doesn't matter. Then the video will stop. Let's run a little bit. We're going to do all of the lifts. Because I cannot save any of them to last. The video. Pause. No, this might be a long video. Quite elevator tours are long. It's the first elevator tour I'm doing. At the hospital there is more. There's loads of elevators at this hospital. Trust me, there is lots of elevators. Here's the green orange.
Going up.
One of them has been refurbished.
Please mind the doors.
Look, this one sounds
Doors
different.
Closing. Going up.
Who's crying? No. Oh, this one, I think it has one of them has been refurbished. Can't really remember which one it was. Oh, this one makes me tickle, this lift.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Oh, going down.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Right, next one. We won't take that long to do the whole hospital. Alright, here's the confusing bits, but don't matter. I've been in this hospital so long, so it shouldn't take at least, it'll take less than 20 minutes to do this, I hope. Anyway, the lifts aren't that slow. Unless I get stuck, which I hope not. Where is the elevator? That's a new bit. Well, here's the next one. That one's easy. Now to the yellow zone. I can't remember which is the last lift. This one's... I think that's the one that... Which is the one that got refurbished?
All of them.
No, one of them has. It only said one of them.
This is the one.
What's it say?
Marking having 100 vision. No, there's no refurbishment now.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 1.
चलो आ जाओ.
Now let's go on.
Then none in here in this lift.
I just want to go to the whole lift.
Down.
Going down.
It's pretty
Please
bright.
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Now to the next set of.
Recording?
Yeah.
Just check it.
Yep, it is. Look, it has the pause.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, they are.
Of course, I know when it's recording. Oh, I think that's the last lift. So almost there. How many minutes has it been? Well, there's not many lifts in the hospital, really. Right, that was easy finding the last. When this is the last lift in the whole hospital. This is the last lift in the entire hospital, I think. There is a lift right down there, I remember coming here a few years ago. Oh, there is a lift there as well as that. Let's take the lift.
Please mind the doors. Doors
This one sounds new.
going up.
I can see something around there.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Going down.
Down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going
Oh,
down.
that was bad. Oh, we're going down, yeah. Just make it. Says going down floor 1. It's an Acer. Is this one an Acer?
Yeah.
Good. All of the lifts are Acer. That's right. The whole time.
Ground
The other one said 0. This one says 1.
doors opening.
This is not the one that was refurbished, at least. No, next. No, there's one down there. So that's not the last one. So don't, if I say not the last one, don't listen. You have to wait for me to end the video. Now, I think there's one more, and I know this is the last. In degrees I can see, I think. There is one last elevator in service. Yep, I can see that. And this is almost the end of the video. Just, yeah, there is one more lift. I just told you I remember seeing the lot. There's the one down here. And right there. I have to film every single lift. This is lift number 2. Oh, but there's a lift down there. This is lift number 2. I'm going to go explore that area then. Is this door on the door? A lot of viewers want to see inside there. This one smells of
Going up.
food. This one smells of food apple.
Yeah.
I think they used this one for food.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to use this one, I think. It does not
Going
say
up.
staff. It smells delicious. Cream. Things like that.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor.
Now to lift the first. Maybe there's a lift right.
Doors opening.
Maybe there's a lift down here because it says lift number 2. Let's have. No, there's another one. Let me have a look. I can't see now. Let's check. What's it? What about here? It says. Yeah, there is a lift. See one.
No.
What's it say?
No, this is the stuff for lock ones.
Alright, that is the end of the video. Is it stopped filming?